Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how to stop receiving messages on Instagram without blocking. Now, if you receive a lot of random messages or you just want to stop receiving those messages without having to block that user, there's a simple and easy way to do it. Once you're here in your profile, you can click on the top right corner to go into the menu section. Then you can scroll down and click on this one right here. It's called Messages and Story Replies. Just click on this, click on message requests, and by default, this is set to everyone. Now, this is why you receive a lot of unwanted messages. Just quickly click on just no one here and click on people you follow or have messaged before on this one. Now, this will make sure that you don't randomly get added into a group and receive messages from there. Once you've set this up, only verified people that you follow will be able to message you. No random messaging will happen on your account. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how you can stop receiving messages on Instagram without having to block a bunch of accounts. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.